Hi guys, this is Juliet and I am a student intern here at the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum. So today we are going to be making some spooky black cats for our Halloween October craft. So what you're going to need is a paper plate, a stapler, some glue, some scissors. You may need some parents' help with this, so there's that. Some googly eyes, and then I also have some scraps of paper that I already cut out. So I have a little pink one and then some white strips right here. So what we're going to do to begin is we're going to color our paper plate black since we have a black cat. So you can either color this or you can paint it. I painted the one I had earlier, but I'm just going to color this one really quickly right now. Okay, so once we're done with that, what we're going to do is we're going to cut kind of a small semicircle or circle into the bottom of the plate with our scissors. Now mine isn't going to look that great because I don't have anything to cut out, anything to trace in order to cut it out, but if you want you can go ahead and lay a bowl or something on top of your plate and trace that so that you can cut it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut a small sliver off of the top right up here to be our tail. And then we're going to cut our ears out of our cat. And then we're going to use our stapler, and like I said earlier, you can use glue for this part. A stapler might be a little bit easier, but you're going to go ahead and staple on the head and the tail. And then last but not least, we are going to glue on our whiskers, our nose, and our eyes. So our whiskers are going to go first. And a glue stick works just fine for this, so you don't need liquid glue. And then we are going to glue on our eyes. Alright, and then this should be what your final craft looks like. So go ahead and take a picture of your cats and put them in the comments down below, and we'll see you later. Thanks guys!